proud to announce that I'm one of the ambassadors of Chalkola acrylic paints. I just received the box this morning, and what I'll do is a demonstration of these paints, see how they work, how they do with different mediums and such. Here's what the box looks like. All in this little pretty wrapper. Now we have 32 colors in this 22 milliliter tubes. If anybody's familiar with how I paint, those two 22 milliliter tubes, they won't last long. So I'm pretty sure they got larger tubes for those who are a little more involved in their painting. But anyway, it does, this particular box, I'll show it to you right, does have a paint set, a little beginner set, I guess, in it. So this paint is suitable for the novice and the intermediate and the pros and such. So it does come with, I'll show it to you as it comes in the box there. I think you should be able to see it without it spilling all over the place. I gotta go opposite. There we go. So, all right. Okay. But it does come with its artist brushes. All right. And the sponge. It even comes with a nice little palette. Like I say, entry-level packet here. And of course, it's plethora of paints of many different brands and colors. There's another set right underneath this one. I'll show it to you this way in this camera here. Okay. Various hues and colors. And like I said, there is another layer of paints underneath the initial. And here are the palette knives. Okay, show them both cameras. And the other paints. So they do come in, show you here, various hues and colors. All right. And the back of the box also shows you with the representation of the types of colors in the box, and you can see all the different, let's make sure I got it right so you guys can read it, the different hues and colors. All right, put it in the other camera you probably see it a little bit better, forgive the light shining on it there. All right, okay, very nice. And what I'm going to do, I'll face this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a full-fledged painting just using the Chalkola brand paints. I may use a few of their brushes, okay, and most likely a couple of my own. I won't be painting my first painting with this brand on this. I'll probably use a canvas. All right, so as far as the presentation of the paint, very nice. Like I say, you got more than enough paint for the beginner and the intermediate painter. Okay, and we're gonna put it to the test in a few. All right, and like I say, I'll use different mediums and mix it in there. I'll be doing a little mixing and blending, and we'll see how it does. All right, so stay tuned.